The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. There is a strange event occurring right now, at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It was said that people were turning younger and dying. We are trying to figure out what is going on. Stay tuned for another activation of the emergency alert system.
So, it only makes sense to let your future wife and mother of your 12 babies win. 12 babies? You must be out of your mind, woman! I'm planning to play the field till I'm at least 34. Then maybe, if I decide to settle down and get married,
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. We finally figured out what was going on. Time was going backwards. Do not worry. We will try to stop this situation from escalating further, and we will try to get back to the present day. Stay tuned for another activation of the emergency alert system.
What about the big guns? No, stop, please!
Oh no, the big guns! Child is completely helpless against the big guns! Yeah.
Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency broadcast system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public assigned areas. This is ERECT TV. We will continue to serve the Pittsburgh area. If you are not in this local area, tune into your cable assistant providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency broadcast system serving the Pittsburgh area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergencies only. This is the end. All attempts from stopping the time from going backwards even more has failed. As a result, more people are turning younger and dying. So gather with your friends, family, pets, parents, grandparents and possessions and brace for the end. And there is nothing we could do to stop the time from going backwards even more. Do not tell children about this event. Gather with them too. And this is the final activation of the emergency broadcast system. Now we will sign off with the final playing of the national anthem. May God bless you all, and goodbye.